Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. This is a vlog I thought I would just make just in case if it helps someone out. My 2002 BMW 530D, it's struggling to start. So what happened was I was on a road trip, so I drove 100 miles with my car and I stopped at a service station. I tried to start the car up again and it won't start. So I called up my breakdown cover to get the car recovered to my home so I can have a look into it. When I was looking into it, I asked in the BMW group in Facebook or on the forum that what could be the cause of it, and my mechanic and few other people were saying it could be the sensor. So in my case it was the camshaft sensor. Now when a car don't start, there are a few things you should look for instance the fuel pressure, the fuel pump, or even the connections or other sensors, or you can get the diagnostic to diagnose the problem. In my case, those breakdown guys, they tried to diagnose the issue, but it wasn't showing up as nothing. There was no code, nothing, no dash light or anything. And I thought, let me just start with the camshaft sensor. €2 car parts, bought myself a new camshaft sensor and gave it a go, and that's it. It fixed my problem. Now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and I'm gonna get the camshaft sensor changed in my car. So the camshaft sensor is just right here. I've already removed the screw from the cover. You can already see it. It's 3 screws that's holding on to this cover, and there's 1 screw there. That's it. So remove this cover. You can see it. That is the sensor. It's very easy to remove. Just a clip that's holding on here and 1 screw here. To remove the clip is very simple. On this part, push it down a bit and pull it. Done. And we just need to remove this, and that's it. You can pull out the sensor. Number 5. Now you can just pull it off, and there it is. That's the sensor. It comes with this rubber gasket, you can see in here. When you want to remove and replace the sensor, make sure you replace the rubber gasket as well. Now that the sensor is removed, I will just go ahead and I will get this replaced with a new one. Here's the replacement part. It costed me £46.19 from Euro Car Parts. Yes, I know it's not genuine BMW parts, but as long as it does the job for me for time being, it's all good. Parts, you can see it also comes with new rubber gasket. This is very important if you're replacing this part. That's the new sensor. You should see it right like this. That's in. Just make sure you don't over tight this because it's a plastic, it can break. And now just simply put this clip back. That's done. So the new parts is now installed. Now let me go and let me see if the car starts now. Fingers crossed. Oh yes. Oh, yes, it worked. So that's it, guys. So it just needed a sensor, and now check it out, it starts. Oh, let's try that again. Oh, that's sweet. So that's all it needed. Camshaft sensor. Before I finish this video up, I quickly want to give a shout out to Daniel from the BMW E39 group UK. He FaceTimed me and he actually showed me where exactly this sensor was. That's very nice of him, and he helped me out. Such a great guy. Right, so thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to some. If it was, just do make sure to press the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you for my next video. Goodbye.